Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandrine. Hi. This video is gonna be a lookbook. It's gonna be about how I style this denim jacket right here. It's cute. I actually got this jacket from Rainbow for $15, and I got 2 of them, so I'm gonna be styling 2 jackets. Let me see if I can find the other one. This is the other jacket. Has roses and stuff on it. I haven't worn this jacket yet. I've got it for like a couple months, but still haven't worn it. So if you're interested in seeing how I style these jackets, just keep watching.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Set my heart on fire.